everyone, I'm going to show you how to build it. I'm going to make a rectangle. Now, I'm going to and the blue dot. Yay. Time. Ooh, I know. Here, hold on.
Sit down.
Here. Oopsie. I'm done. Okay? If you like my video, please subscribe and channel and share. Hi guys, I'm gonna unbox my new toy. I don't know what's in it, so I'm gonna unbox it. Yay! It has a clay block and a hammer and a brush and digging tool. I have a scissors too. So I take the clay block out. Now I'm going to take the tools to dig. So I have a hammer. And then a brush. This is hammer and this is the brush. This is a hammer. This is a brush. And this is a digging tool that you can dig with. I'm gonna dig starting right here. When I dig these, the clay blocks, it's gonna come out. Do this, the clay is gonna come out. I'm going to break it with the hammer. Take the first piece out. So take with this. I bought this from Dollarama and it cost $4. I bought it because I loved this because I was looking for this for everywhere. I like this, and I put a plate down here because when I do this, the clay is gonna come out and make a mess. So I put the plate down here. I'm gonna use the hammer now, and this is the brush. It doesn't do anything, so I'm putting it here. And 4, 0, 7, 8, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
21, 22, 23, 25.
It's gonna make a little mess in these puzzles, so that's why I put a little plate here. But it made a little mess here, but we could clean it up. My hands are all messed, so I have to wash my hands when I'm done this. Theater, like somewhere. We didn't get our ticket, so I don't know where
We need to one ticket and we can go movie theater. There's snake, sharks, everything. We found 4 bones, so we can just dig this. Oh, we found a little more.
Accidentally. Okay. My mom was helping dig and she accidentally put a sand on his eye. It's okay. It was a little one, so I washed it off and nothing happened. My eyes didn't hurt. Nothing happened. So we're gonna go back to the digging. My mom helped me dig a little farther into here.
And we found a 4th.
I'm not here, so I don't know what happened here. So. Guys, we found
We found another one.
Yeah,
We need to clean up it. We found another one.
found the body. My mom helped me because it's kind of hard to dig. So,
Here, die.
this is the other side. I don't know where do you find the tail, but I want to dig down here to get find what's here.
So we can just dig. No, the tail.
I'm gonna dig this place, and my brother's gonna hammer. I'm gonna make it hammer. Oh, no, I'm gonna do it here. Do it here. Okay? No, do that. It's needy though. My brother chose it because that one is a little more easy.
See? We can just dig all up. But the sand, we need to get.
Yeah, these are all the clay that was in here. And then
The clay, do you see this clay? When there are all the clay, we just take this and just dump it here. That's all that's there, isn't it?
I'm trying getting 1/4 left because we didn't get 1/4 left, but we found a lot of fossils. Can I take that? I just get 1/4 out.
You just need to just do everything.
You have to be
you have to be careful with your hands. Ouchie.
It's gonna take a while, so
Yeah.
be patient. I'm being patient a little, so I'm not like.
Just then
The fun part is I love how I put sand like up here, and it's kind of like fun to do that. It's only fun.
that's not sand. It's a clear.
I'm almost getting the
After says sand. After my brother says clay.
it's clay. I got an accident.
That's not.
So I'm getting close to. I think the skull is over here. So I think the skull is over here, and I didn't buy this from Walmart. It's from Dollarama. If I so the inside here is a fossil. So I bought a T-Rex one because I love the dinosaur. I love the not only T-Rex. There's some other dinosaurs in here too. We buy that. There's another one. So please.
that.
Guys, we're gonna
So
make.
he's the giant T-Rex is body here. That is the T-Rex body. We need to find his mouth, eyes, sharp teeth, and tail. That's long time power. So we can do that. I think we can do all the bones found.
We found here when we like turned this around. We just found this.
Yeah. I'm gonna use this thing and broke it.
We were kind of like finding a lot of bones because I thought the skull was here, but I didn't know about that because I mean like these bones are here, so I think the skull's not like here somewhere.
Yes, I'm gonna just brush this one. So this is no sense in anymore. So I'm gonna just brush no sense. Only clean the tray. We need to find his teeth, mouth, eyes, and tail, leg, body. But we only found body. Spin this. That is a body, a T-Rex body. We cannot get out. Let's see it will come out or yes or no. It's T-Rex body already. We already found that. My brother already found that one.
This is a lot of like
This is a lot of sand. It looks like a sand, right?
Right.
So, ready that thing. We just punch out that thing. Now just we can use. My brother's putting all the sand. See, he likes to grow. This thing's very hard. So this body is very
wait,
stagnant.
there's a new
There's
we found another one. We
another
didn't see
one.
that.
I think it's a leg. I think a leg got. But let's see the leg. Yes or no. So we found a body and a leg. Here is the body and here is
This
the
brush
leg.
reminds me of my painting brush. Like I have this like for painting.
Yes, the arrows paint or colors, everything. So maybe maybe this is a shark. Maybe this thing is a shark spikes. Or you think it's a dinosaur, a T-Rex, Stegosaurus, or Ceratops.
My brother knows a lot of dinosaurs.
Ceratops, Pterodactyl.
So my brother wants to do it too because he wants to play with this, and I'm letting him do it. So he's gonna do this. My mom told me a new strategy, so I'm doing it. So like put the digging tool here and rest the hammer on the top. My brother's gonna help me because it's gonna take for a while. So. Now I find a new strategy. This is like if I just put the hammer here and without breaking, I can just do this. So that there's a faster way to do it. asking me questions like, what does this dinosaur eat? Is this carnivore or herbivore, like something? And when I was like 6 years old, I don't know what carnivore and herbivore mean, but now I know. Like carnivore means like a meat eater, and herbivore means a plant eater.
Pterodactyls, they're flying, Triceratops, they're walking slowly, T-Rex, they're faster going away, or they're looking their mommies. The small T-Rex looking the mommy. He know mommies live with. Think the mommy T-Rex live in a mountain or volcano. Things
We watched giraffe. We watched this.
yeah. The Portion B. Do you know that Portion B all the surprise? So here, Portion B, or do you know Dinomonsters defeating the planet, defeating the dinosaurs? The Dinomonsters defeating the Triceratops, T-Rex, Mama T-Rex.
That's a story. He tells that all the day. Like there's a guy that destroying that story.
There's I don't think I show you, but the Dinomonsters destroyed Triceratops, T-Rex, Mommy T-Rex.
Guys, can you wait? Because I'm gonna wash my hands, okay?
And me too.
Hold on.
We're back again,
We washed our hands.
and we will wash your hands again.
Especially.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the other side because
Yeah.
we didn't did it and I moved there. So, and we watched Jurassic World. We did.
Yeah.
So we watched Jurassic World. It's not in the movie theater, but it's
Or
in our laptop.
snakes.
My dad's laptop, my dad's big laptop. He works in it, and we watched Jurassic World.
Yeah, or Dinomonsters. He got a new mask. Oh,
My brother
strong.
makes like a lot of stories, like pretending stories from like YouTube channel he sees.
And one.
I'm gonna make a
It's
bigger,
okay.
big,
Everyone says okay.
giant out. A line.
I will just take the sands all off it. Okay.
I am strong. I found another bird. I found a tail. I found a tail.
It's tail. It's a but.
I just squeezed in here and I pooped out.
all
I
the sands get out.
Take all this out.
Put sands away. Do you see the
Found a tail.
little thing? We just brush it. Brush those things.
I'm gonna do it over here as well.
This is all the clears.
I think the tail is the easiest one to take out.
This name is clear. Clay, okay? Okay. This clay need to all take out this. Before we start that video, we need to clay this out. I'm going to do this. No, can I try that?
What?
Hammer.
I just punched in here and I take all the parts out and just found the tail. So I think the tail sense.
Dig here.
You would like take the other.
We're going to use this hammer.
I found the tail and I dig the log like a little long and take the bottom down. So okay. My brother's gonna go to the washroom and take this hand. It sometimes happens when you use a hammer to take like this out. So when you do that, I told my brother to close his eyes. So I'm gonna take this out. Okay, maybe okay, Anna. I think I'm almost done with the tail. Because if I take the tail out, I'll get the first fossil. So I found a lot of fossils, but I didn't take them out.
No, do you take out the tail? Yes. Oh,
I'm going to drink some water.
Everybody. Was the firstly, the skull is gone now because I mined a lot. Okay, there's the other side. I found another bone here. Do you see still all the messes? This is the mess one. We need to get out. Do you see? Look like this. Do you see? This is guys. This is Slay saying that T-Rex. Now, this is different because he have a different face. Because he have different faces. What? Because this dinos have a different face. This dinos have another face. So we don't want this anymore. That is bad. The thing this thing is What did guys? My mom
Can
helped
I put
me.
this inside?
Yeah, you could. Found the blade gun's body, so need the instruction. So this is it. Like take the body. Yes, this body. And I'm gonna do that later.
Oh, you found this? Okay. This is here, and this is here. Hey, is that sand a little bit? Oh, the sand a little bit. Alfred,
Yeah,
this is a little bit of sand.
it's okay.
What? Good job, Alfred. Just put this here.
Wait, we found the other. And this.
This is a little bit this. Alfred, this. Look.
I'll do it later.
What do you do?
Wait, I feel something there. Needs just to dig that.
Please, that too.
Wait, we found these two.
What?
Wait, that was.
Alfred, I told you it's all the time. This so soft. I don't know that. Alfred, I'm going to call your question. Antonia, the little bit hiding sand, but you cannot take it out. Can you take out a little bit small head?
My mom.
We found the
This
shell.
this is hard, so my mom. No, this one is hard, so my mom helped me with this. So there's a little bit here, so I'm gonna do that. I'm a little scared, like to use this a lot because it's gonna break. So that's why I'm a little scared. But I'm doing.
You're doing well. You're doing great, brother. You're doing great now. When you
This is wiggly, and so and take the other parts of the sand. Okay, I take this out. Take this out. I take this out. So I take all the sand out and out, like so. I see the box. It's gonna show me. I need this part.
this never do bad blocks. Everybody sees that.
Okay, I'm going to fix this. Wait, there's a little. Buddha.
We found all the fossils. Now we're gonna fix it, and we're gonna first take this clay out.
Yeah, and then we're gonna fix it
Okay.
out
So
dinosaur.
this one like this, and put two legs. So one leg.
The little more rock.
You have to take all the clay out.
We don't want to take small. We can just take the big one.
Now I put the brick. Now
So
we
we
now
take
we
the
just
connect
connect them. Move like this. Now the next part is the hands.
All done that.
I don't know the hand.
Do you see him here?
I'm gonna connect.
Take all the rocks. Put it here. Put it here. Put it here. Put it here. Put it here.
Wait, kunya
Here.
ngerti ka tuh?
Put it here.
Let it be.
I
I need the brush. I know we're messy. I'm going to
You
use the
just
brush to
take
take the
this.
holes away, which we need the holes. My face.
I don't know how to fix. After I don't know how to fix this. It's so tricky. Ah!
Okay, now we. I'm going to put it together. So.
Like use Takahosa. Takahosa is that guy. Here is that Takahosa. Do you see this Takahosa? This Takahosa is there.
I can't connect. Joy. I'm going to fix the top. It goes this way.
Clean up now.
Now this goes over here. And the tail, my brother is gonna hide. And the head movement moves too. It could even move like this.
Yeah,
But you fix it. We're gonna fix the back.
like
I'm gonna fix the side a little bit. Okay, so I fixed the head. Now I'm going to fix the legs. So the tail goes over here. So I made a mistake, so I'm going to fix that. And I'm fixed it. It's kind of hard to connect it because of the clays. Some clays are stacked.
look
up.
my happy face.
Okay, now I'm done my tail. Now it's my legs. The T-Rex is like. Connect these down here.
I'm going to just make this giant hole.
And the other one. With the brush to take the other place. The other leg. And the arm.
Do you see this hole? It's coming down here, so we can still keep going.
And okay, so now I put the arm in here.
Hey guys, do you